here late last night. Ready to go.
No.
I want something that's gonna fucking not fall out.
Yeah, but you're not gonna get that hit. There's nothing really, they're just cunts of things to hook. Unless they're fucking... Oh, yep.
Good?
No. Tiny. Cast out there.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, not bad. You got him? Holy fuck, they're everywhere under the boat.
Are you serious?
Zeb pliers.
Oh my god.
They're fucking everywhere.
Oi, that's good. These come out pretty easily.
Ready? Bro, if the fish are here, that rock over there is gonna be fucked. Oh, ready? Just go too quick for him, bro. They're massive. They're growing. Or you just wind extremely fast, bro. Wind as fast as you can, bro, and they get mad. They start getting mad, bro. Oh, bro. Bro, you gotta go too fast for the little ones.
Oi, that just landed in the water. Oh my.
We will.
We'll be stuck here fucking fishing with Queenies all day like Jordan.
Over there, it's big fucking trevally, cunt.
That'd be sick.
That's fucked.
God.
Yours good?
Yep, that is good. Oi, I'm getting a photo of this fish.
Yeah. Oh, that'll do.
That thing was pretty big.
Oi, wait. Just, oi, they fucking, you gotta burn it to get past the little ones, and then the big cunts come out
No,
trying to beat it.
I cast it and it fell, and I winded it back in, and it was sitting in the water.
Yeah.
It just came up.
Yep.
Fucking grabbed it. I was like, what the hell?
Oh fuck, fish.
On the bottom.
Yeah. We're on the bottom dwellers. I know it's all chaos, but we gotta try and be somewhat... Oh, yep, I'm on.
Are you?
Yep.
You're kidding.
Tiny fucking something, cunt.
Tiny little Spanish cod.
Bait?
Yeah, bro.
Keep him?
Yeah.
Mm,
No, he's too little.
And they sharp.
Right, now everyone be careful, no hooks in anyone's head. Alright, now we need to pull up, because if you keep driving towards them, you can't get the wind fast enough. Oh, they're there.
Oh, they're definitely teed up.
Yep, go Mackenzie. Get in there. Cast. Good cast. Yep. Sink it and wind. Oh, you cast it behind him. Yep, there. Oh, fuck. Let it sink for a minute. Mackenzie.
Oh! Oh, dropped it.
Right there.
Oh! Get him, get him!
Oh, look at them! Holy shit! Yep, I got him! Set that fucking hook! bust up, right? And then let it sink for a minute. And then wind as fast as you can.
You gonna keep it?
Yep. It's little. Did it up the front. Holy shit.
That thing's good. Where's my phone?
Long-tailed tuna.
On earth is going on down there? Fish everywhere.
Nice, Mackie.
No, I don't think it is.
No?
Don't know. Might be. Oh my gosh, Big Macs. Big Macs, bro. Big Mackies. Big fucking Mackies, bro. Bro, that was massive. Bro, it was fucking huge. Mackie? Tuna.
No.
Yeah. That might have been a tuna then, what come behind me.
So annoying.
Are you on?
Something on the bottom, eh? I've got a bottom fish. What is that? A fucking little tricky.
Keep that or what?
Yeah. Zebo with a nice little tuna on the jig. Gone. Here.
Are you kidding?
They're bloody everywhere. That was crazy. Holy fuck. Oh.
It's sore.
Micro tuna. Have a go at this cracking jack. Look at that, that's going to be at least 50. Just getting a couple of stripies on the bottom mash. Good jack come up, that's nice. So good. There he is. Oh, that's massive. Giant, bro.
I'm going back to the basics now. I'm sick of this.
That's a giant Queenie. This is fucking Queenie Creek, eh?
Look at this.
This way. Rod tip up. Oh, I can't drop that fucking remote in there.
Got him?
That is a giant queenfish.
Oh, that's like a meatery.
That is good.
God, that's huge. Boy, that's a monster Queenie.
Fuck, he's heavy.
That's a massive Queenie.
Can't hold him.
Ready?
Oh.
Alright, get him back. Holy shit, and he's dead.
No, he's not.
Can you check us that knife, please, folks?
Is he actually dead?
Did you watch that knife?
It's not on.
Yes, it is.
Wait, is it?
Yeah.
It's a giant again. Nah, it might not be. Oh, it's probably bigger than yours. Fuck it out. Big Jewy.
No. No.
Oh, he's actually staying. It's a big cod, bro. Big cod.
Cod's good eating.
You're kidding.
It's a big cod. It's a
Where
fucking
is it?
giant cod.
This is hectic.
Keep that
Boy,
on.
that's good.
Bro, good eating those things. Look at that mud crab he ate.
No.
Look at that. He
No
ate that.
way. Are you kidding?
Oh, these things are rotten. But we're gonna eat him.
Oh,
That does
my
stink. Big
God.
black spot.
That is awesome. Fuck. Alright.
Anyway,
Let's eat him.
That reeked.
Do we
Oh,
want to eat them?
dude, that is seriously bad.
Maybe we don't want to eat them.
Where's that net? Just fight him. Yep. That's a Jew. That's a Jew! And we should have another. Seb's the Cuda King. Might be a little one. Should be a little one. I reckon. Is it? Fucking Jewy!
Wait, grab it.
It's a fucking Jewy! Bogies, where are they? Where's the grips? I need to get myself one of these cunts. Here, come here.
Got him?
Holy fuck yeah! Yes!
Whoa.
Nice! Here. Got the camera on.
Here's photo with this thing. First Joey. And it's pretty.
Where's the... Hold that, where's the boys?
Oh my god. This is chaos.
Bro, we were fucking hunting down these fish, eh?
For so long. Now Zeb, it's all you.
Finally found some fish, some trout. That's the third trout. First and 2 Jewies. We cut their throats and get them in. Cut their throats. One. Yep, she's off. Zeb, get in there. That would have been so good. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get that shit on footage again. Start screaming. Bro, they are big. Holy shit, bro, that is massive. This is a big Queenie. Is yours about to jump? What's yours, Queenie too?
Bro, let me get a photo of that. It's a big Queenie, bro.
Yeah, ready? Holy shit, bro, that's massive. What's your rod? Free spool your rod.
Oh, it's a big
Here,
cut.
I'm recording. Hold him up. Yours about to jump. Oh, yep.
Yep.
Look at that, monster. Big Queenie. They're everywhere. Holy shit, bro, that's massive. You do it.
This is a big Queenie, eh?
I don't know what big this is.
Yeah, open his mouth up.
Nice.
Just got a big muddy.
Don't have him very good.
Gonna have to try
Oh, what
again.
else is there? He's got another one.
Another what, mate?
We grabbed that nipper. Fuck.
Should we get him behind him?
Yep, grab that. Grab him. Yo, can't
Oh.
go. Oi, that's a cracker, bro. We got that bucket?
Yeah, it's over
Yeah,
there.
I do have him all right, I think.
Hold him up, I'll get.
Oh, that one big. Holy fuck, that cunt's monster.
Yeah, bro, that's good. We got some good even. I don't know how you can like that tuna shit.
What do you reckon, mate?
Look, this Papa stew.
Smells good.
Yep.
Longest day ever. Catching?
Catching fucking fever, that's it.
Steaming hot brain meltage. boat is ruined after the long dirt road. Hey, what are you doing? Showering. That's right, we have a shower. Bloody beautiful out here. Too good. It's got all the sauce, no flavour. Hey? Lovely. Bit of mud crab. Just went down the beach filleting all the fish we caught today. Set a few frames in the rocks with the gidgee. Got 3 crabs. We're going to go down in a minute and have a look as well. Now we're doing trout skin fillet. I don't know how this is going to go. But we're ready.